Finding a place to rent? Here are ways on how to choose the perfect house to rent. Many people choose to rent rather than buy a house for plenty of reasons, but the biggest, most popular reason is to get away from house responsibilities like major repairs or renovations and fees that go with it, mortgage fees, property taxes, insurance policies, and whole lot of unnecessary fees. According to CNBC, it's far cheaper to rent rather than own a house due to high mortgage rates, and reinvesting your savings from your rent outperforms home equity. When choosing a house, it will be easier to find your ideal home if you know what you want, and to be clear about your needs. Talking to friends and family members about their experiences and what you would like can really help a lot in making the decision, and make sure to explore all your options. Talking to property managers like Dirksen and Associates Incorporated isn't also a bad idea. Just remember to take your time when choosing, and it should be a place that makes you feel comfortable and makes you feel alive and happy. Finding a place to live where you feel comfortable and supported can make a huge difference, so here on this article, we'll help you choose the perfect house for you to rent. Number 1. Safety. When it comes to living spaces, your safety should be your number one concern. Look out for damp patches on the wall or ceiling, peeling wallpaper or wall paint, condensation on windows, and/or a musty smell means the area is damp and prone to molds. Check if there are cracks, holes, voids in walls or ceilings. It may mean that the living space is infected by pests. Light switches and plug sockets including smoke alarms should all be working, and should be tested for faulty electrical wiring. Toilets should be flushing, sink and bathroom should be draining, and pipes should not be leaking for sanitation purposes. The next is your location. Considering where you want to be, do you want your house to be near your office, or the school for convenience? Or do you prefer less noise and a place where you can relax? Or would you rather prefer somewhere more centrally located, for easier access? Considering the location lies entirely on your purpose and your lifestyle. The house you would choose also depends on your lifestyle. Are you a minimalist, and just intend for a functional house? Are you an outdoor person who jogs in a nearby park every morning? Or would you rather go to a gym? Do you have pets or planning to take care of one? Knowing what you need gives you a clearer picture of what you're looking for, thereby narrowing down your options so you can pinpoint your ideal home. Next is your cost or your budget. It's important to calculate your budget and to stay within your budget. Also calculate for other expenses like utilities, as they are not included in your monthly rentals. Figure out your monthly income and your monthly expenses, to know the costs of how much you can spend for your rental property. If you want to find out more about Dirksen and Associates Incorporated, you can visit their page by clicking on the link below. Thank you for watching.